Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off new voicemail haptic vibration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, go down and tap on New Voicemail. Then tap on Haptics. Now to turn off vibration for new voicemail, tap on None. Otherwise, to turn on vibration for new voicemail, you can select one of the vibration pattern from the standard list here, or you can create a custom vibration on your device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.